channel. So today I'll be teaching on how you can install Retouching Academy 5.2, the latest version. And not just to install, you also have the options to buy the software for me if you want. So if you want the software also, I won't be dropping the link here due to YouTube restriction. Just on the comment section, join my WhatsApp group. When you join the group and request for it, you will buy it for $1.5. so remember, it's not for free. So if you know you don't want to buy it, don't bother to join the group. So if you want it, enter. So this is how you can install it. Double click on this zip file. When you double click, it will unzip. Then open this first folder here, open it. When you open it, open this installation files. So then unzip this black BRO black 5.2 blah blah blah. Just double click also. Now this thing you see here, this is our file. So what you do next is this folder here, you just copy this folder, copy it, right click and copy. Then go up here, come to application, go to your Photoshop. See, I'm using Photoshop 2023. This one will work from 2020 now, 2023 and 2026 also. Double click on it and double click on plugin. So just paste it here. You can see I already pasted my here. So just paste that folder you copy, just click paste. If I click paste, now everything will enter. So when you are done, click, just close it and open your Photoshop at the bottom. So allow it to load. It's very easy to install and it's straightforward. It works so fine. So allow it to load. Your Photoshop will open. So now my Photoshop is opened now. So I can just click on any file, anyone I want. Just click on this one. So I can go to my main Photoshop. So guys, so now if you click up here, because look at my here, but as a first time I just click on this plugin at the top. You can see it's 5.0 Retouching Academy. You can see the features. So if this is your first time of seeing it, this is your normal retouch store. This is the new thing they added to it. You can see some other things. One thing I like about this new Retouching Academy, you can just select mask. You have a selected mask, so you can use it to mask. This time now you are not going to go and trim manually. This one is more accurate than the Photoshop masking. So let's just try it. This is what I get from the Retouching Academy. Then let me use the Photoshop select and mask, select objects. So let's compare both of them together. Although it gave me very similar results, both of them did quite okay, but other features are inside also. Your custom, your curve, you have your AI tools and healing tools and everything is here, crop tools and everything. You can see your custom actions also, they are all here. So guys, if you like this thing and you need it for yourself, it's for MacBook, please do it. Join my WhatsApp group and request for it. It's going for $1.5 only. Thank you for watching this video.